Hello friends, today's recipe is vegetable stew. This is a famous Kerala recipe and it is usually made as a side dish for appam, idiyappam or even for chapati we can have it. And the ingredients today which I taken are vegetables, potato, carrot and few beans and also peas. This is a dried peas. I soaked it overnight and the quantity depends on your taste. I have taken more of potatoes and carrot only one I have taken and coconut one half coconut I have taken. I am going to grate it and take the coconut milk. Required salt, one onion and two green chilies. Green chilies according to your taste. You can take the number of green chilies and also coconut oil to add at the end. Chop the vegetables into small pieces like this. I am going to cook the vegetables in the pressure cooker. I have added the peas first. Add the cut vegetables. And I have chopped the onions also. One onion I have taken and the green chilies also I have just cut it into halves. Now we'll add salt for the vegetables. Now add required water. No need to add too much of water. Just add little water at the bottom for the vegetables to get cooked. Now I am going to close the cooker and allow it to get cooked for around 2 to 3 whistles. I switched on the stove and we'll put the weight on and let it get cooked well. Now the pressure has come down completely. We'll open the pressure cooker for the stew. The vegetables are perfectly done. Switch on the stove. If you want, you can just gently mash it so that it will be together. Gently you can mash if you want. That is your preference. Now what I am going to do is I am going to add the second coconut milk. Let it cook together with the second coconut milk for few minutes and slowly it will start to thicken. Then we can add the first coconut milk. Add the curry leaves also. And I am going to add little more salt. Let it get cooked in the coconut milk. Already the vegetables are cooked well. Just to incorporate the flavor, we'll cook it in the second coconut milk. Now you can see it is cooked in the second milk again for few minutes. Now I am going to add the first milk. And the consistency can be little watery because we are going to use it as a side dish for appam, idiyappam which are dry. So let it be little watery. If you don't want it to be very watery, you can reduce the quantity of adding water to while taking the coconut milk. Now once it starts to boil, don't allow the first milk to boil. Once it starts to boil, we can switch off the flame and tasty and delicious stew is ready. Vegetable stew is ready. It is starting to boil. Now I am adding a teaspoon of coconut oil and then I am switching off the stove and vegetable coconut stew is ready. It smells very good. Now tasty appam and stew is ready to be served. Hope you all enjoy watching this. Please subscribe to our channel Rasa Taste and give the video a thumbs up. Thank you.